Digital packaging is one of the fastest growing segments in print. With virtually no setup, shorter runs are cost effective. Plus, you can add versioning and personalization, which means that digital printers have the opportunity to capitalize on this very lucrative market. But you need to know the right way to do things in order to make this profitable. Hi, everyone. I'm Amber Mills, and today I'm here with Lou Capone, a veteran of the print industry and one of the most passionate print advocates you'll find. We're going to be talking about digital packaging and how Ricoh's professional services offering can help customers produce high-quality packaging that's unique and profitable. Lou, thanks for being on with us today.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's start. Can you give us a brief introduction to Ricoh Digital Packaging Services?
The thing we did was we went out and we actually polled our customers and said what's new in the industry. And a lot of people were coming back is personal digital packaging. So we wanted to create something in our professional services portfolio that will help you create digital packaging for you and for your customers.
Okay, so Lou, why did Ricoh create this? I mean, if a print shop wants to get into this area and they don't have experience, what are some of the risks?
You know, a lot of this material for the packaging is quite expensive. So we want to make sure that you don't have that waste, because if you start filling up your waste bins with all wasted material, that costs your company a lot of money. So we try to alleviate that. And when we come in, we make sure you know from end to end how to run this equipment, how to design for digital packaging. So we will eliminate your waste.
I've been in the field and I've gotten to hear firsthand from customers how your services have helped them do exactly that. They said we would have made a lot of mistakes and very costly mistakes had we not had the training.
It's one of the first things we look at is when we will walk into a place, it's one of the first things we look at. We look at your waste bins. If we see a waste bin that is piling over, that's a problem. And we need to fix that for you.
Okay, so you were talking before about these personalized experiences, things like variable data and versioning when it comes to packaging. Why would you say digital print is such a good fit for this?
People want an experience today. They don't want a brown box. If I see my name on it, if I see a personalization on it, if I see a picture on it, it really grabs my attention and it makes me look at the box and not just the product. And you could design anything on that box to drive them to something different. And that's what a personal experience with packaging means. And it really is trending in the industry right now.
And it's good because, again, with this digital print, you can set up things with virtually no setup. So it's really cost effective to be doing these short runs, correct?
100%.
Yeah, and I know we're going to be seeing a lot of that when it comes to the holidays. I belong to a lot of subscriptions. So whenever I see something that comes with my name on it, you're right, it feels that much more special.
Yes, absolutely.
So Lou, I think it's so clear to everybody who's watching, like I just said at the beginning of this, that you're so passionate about what you do. And, even if you're not a Ricoh customer, you can still have Ricoh come in and train your people. To hear about Ricoh's digital packaging services and all of the services offerings, go to takealookatricohproduction.com/services.